Hey guys, this is Atul from team K21 Academy, and in this short and crisp video, I'm going to take some of the questions being asked in our community. So on various topics. So I think if you're working on IT and would like to learn cloud DevOps, data science, data engineering on cloud, this will be video will be useful. But I'm recording specifically for some members, and then how you can, if you're not yet member of that community, how you can get hold of. We will talk about that as well. So first message from Shailaja. She's want to become cloud data engineer and she wanted to, so I'll give you some tips for you, Shailaja, if you're listening on this cloud data engineering. So first of all, cloud data engineering is Microsoft is quite a leader in data engineering part, especially because Microsoft has a good user base in terms of the Microsoft SQL databases, and they have a big cloud, and especially for from a data point of view, that quite they have Azure Data Factory, which is an ETL tool. They also have a data lake house. They have databases, and then they also have a lot of applications running on cloud and multiple their ERP and multiple sources. So Azure is quite famous. I think begin with that. Within data engineering, there's a certification DP203. I'll highly recommend you to go through k21academy.com/DP203 1111. That will have all the about the certification, and the hands-on lab we recommend for you data engineering, which is k21academy.com/DP20305. Refer to that. Also, we run a free class that will give you an idea about what a data engineer should do and what all things you should be learning, with including the complete roadmap and path, including so that will give you an idea about data engineering that you can attend by going to k21academy.com/ I think it's Azure DE 02. Yeah, so I think D stands for deep data engineering. Or you can, if you can't find that, look at k21academy.com/DP20302. That's a free class about data engineering. That will be helpful. Now, you also wanted one-on-one call, but it looks like you missed the country code. So it's for others as well. If you're looking for one-to-one call with my team to guide you further, um, add the country code. If it's like from US +0 +1, if it's UK +44, or India +91, and so on. So do that, attend these free classes, and if it's still, this should be enough for you to get an idea about Shailaja. And if you need any further help, let us know. So that's for Shailaja. The next question was from Ernest. Oh, by the way, if you're watching this outside our community, you can join this free community, which is targeted for IT professionals who want to upskill themselves into cloud, AWS, Azure, Google, Oracle, or DevOps on cloud, or data science, data engineering on cloud. URL is k21academy.com/community. Now, next question is from Ernest. When you join, we ask questions to see what you want to achieve in next 24 hours. So next 12 months, sorry, 12 months. So if in order to get a best result or best answer, I think if you're more specific, that will be helpful. So you mentioned you're very knowledgeable and able to solve all the problems presented to me. Now, it's a very generic term, and I don't think if you become generic, you will become no one. So I want you to be very specific. What exactly you want knowledgeable in which field? Is it cloud, and within cloud also narrow it down to which cloud, AWS cloud or Azure cloud, and as what role is it, as a engineer? Is it a support? And if you're not sure, just ask on that. But be focused on specific. Second thing you wanted, yes, you want to have a one-on-one call, yes, but then you didn't mention the country code and a phone number. So first is, I think before we jump on a call, I think you have to be very specific what you want to achieve on it. So maybe refine your things and then leave a comment below this so we can help you. I can help you further on this. So let me go further down. Mm, yeah, this is okay. So next is about from Collins, and Colin is saying, where do become you want to become a cloud engineer? And next, so in cloud engineer, then again be specific or try to be specific whether it's AWS or Azure cloud, and based on that we have a free class on AWS, we have a free class on Azure. The more specific you are, the better we can give. In fact, if you're watching this before, and 15th of January, we are doing a free boot camp, 6 days boot camp, talking everything from beginners on cloud to AWS, Azure, DevOps on cloud, and multi-cloud as well. So URL is k21academy.com/bootcamp. Join that bootcamp. That will give you a brief, very good idea about everything from beginner's point of view, Colin. Next is from Osama. Sorry, Osama, yeah. So you mentioned that you want to work in a big tech company and spreading my knowledge. So again, same point, be very specific. Which company? First of all, identify the couple of companies, but big company, but as what? So again, if you are specific to, if you need help with the cloud and DevOps or DevOps and cloud or containers, Kubernetes, or data, then yes, we can help you. So point what exactly, make it be very, very specific for next 90 days, set up the target, and we can help you. So be more specific on that. You also wanted, you gave the details, but then again, in order for us, you need to be first specific so that we can pinpoint and give you all the necessary help. Now, another question was from Gabriel. And I think, yeah, Gabriel, you wanted to have a stable DevOps job. And if you want to go and become an have a stable DevOps job, I recorded another video which I'll probably link in this on tips on DevOps growth. Worth listening. It should be already in a school community, but also I'll share that video link. It might be, we'll be publishing them on our YouTube channel as well. So for stable DevOps job, you need to understand the basic core building blocks of DevOps, things like code repository, Git, a CI/CD tools like Jenkins or CI/CD on AWS or Azure, preferably AWS or Azure or cloud. But you can have GitOps and other things, but also then like Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, cloud native as well. So learn those things. I would all give you another free class, which is k21academy.com/DevOps02. That will give you idea about DevOps, what all things you should be learning and you should be focusing on. If you want to go, then once you know this, start applying and applying for the jobs and then become best in what we do. We have a lot of content on our website about DevOps, so look at that. But free class, k21academy.com/DevOps02 will be useful for us. Now, once you have attended the free class, you still need help and guidance. Connect again. There's a book a call feature. We'll be adding some links on book a call so you can book a call. But I think this will be a good starting point for you. And I'll see if my team can give you a call as well. I think we have your number. So Gabriel, expect once we know that you have attended that free class, which will come to know, use the same email ID that you've used here, and then team can help you. Will help you. Next is Danetry. Again, you mentioned getting a better paid job. Now, you need to be a little bit more specific. I keep, again, in order to get the best answers, you need to be more specific. You are, the better you'll get an answer. So, better paid job in what? If you, and what's your background? Are you in IT or not in IT? If you're in IT, what exactly better paid job? Is it cloud or DevOps or data or something else? And within cloud, if you're going for which cloud, AWS or Azure or multi-cloud, based on that, we can help and guide you. So I think, unfortunately, we won't be able to give you a call because you need a bit more clarity, answer those, and then maybe book a call. There'll be a book a call feature, but we need a bit more clarity from your point. The more specific you are, we might give you some free classes because that might bring you up to speed. And if you still need help, we'll more than happy to give you a call. I hope that makes sense. And if you have any other question, by the way, if you're listening this outside our community, school community, go and join our community by going to URL k21academy.com/community. This is targeted for someone who's an IT professional and want to upskill into cloud, which is AWS, Azure, Google, Oracle, or DevOps on cloud, or multi-cloud, or data on cloud. So anything and everything related to cloud, whether it's whatever role you're playing. Or if you're not working but want to move your career into cloud, that will be useful. k21academy.com/community, and I'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye-bye.